Hi guys! Our lesson for today is about grade 7 math, quarter 2, module 5, algebraic expressions, equations, and inequalities. I-define muna natin kung ano yung algebraic expressions, ano yung equations, at inequalities. First, algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase which combines numbers, variables, and operators to show the value of something. Okay, so ang algebraic expression natin is ito yung combination ng mga numbers, variables, and operators to show the value of something. So for example, 2x plus 3. Ito yung tinatawag nating algebraic expression. So meron siyang numbers, meron siyang combination ng numbers and variables, and meron siyang operators. Next is equation. So si equation is a mathematical sentence indicating that two expressions are equal. Okay, so kung si algebraic expression, ito yung tinatawag natin kung sa English language, ito yung tinatawag nating phrase, hindi kompleto ang kanyang thought. Si equation naman, ito yung tinatawag nating sentence, complete yung kanyang thought. So this is a mathematical sentence. Okay, for example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay, so ito yung example ng equation. Meron siyang equal sign. So complete sentence siya kung sa English language natin siya babasihan. Si inequality naman is a mathematical sentence that shows two expressions are not equal. So ito yung nagpapakita ng mathematical sentence. Okay, sentence. So ibig sabihin meron siyang equal sign that shows that two expressions are not equal. So for example, 4x plus 1 is equal to negative 1. Okay. So, kapag lalagyan mo ng value si x, kahit na anong value ang ilagay mo, hindi talaga sila mag-equal sa negative 1. So, ito yung tinatawag nating inequality. For example, 1 ang ilalagay mo sa x. So, 4 times 1 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 is not equal to negative 1. Okay, so kahit na 0 pa yung ilagay mo kay x, so 4 times 0 equals 0 plus 1 equals 1. So 1 is not equal to negative 1. Ito yung tinatawag nating inequality. Hindi equal yung iyong mathematical expressions. Meron tayo ditong differences between algebraic expressions, equations, and inequalities para mas maintindihan pa talaga natin kung ano bang kaibahan nilang tatlo. Okay, si algebraic expression has operating symbols and no relation symbols. Okay, so meron siyang operating symbols, pwede siyang merong addition, subtraction, division, pero wala siyang relation symbol. While si equation uses equal sign as relation symbol. So gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, kapag may equal sign, yun ang tinatawag nating equation kasi meron siyang relation symbol. And si inequality naman uses an inequality sign as relation symbol. Okay, so si inequality, mga inequality sign ang ginagamit niya gaya ng greater than or equal to, less than, and less than or equal to. So instead na equal sign ang gamitin ni inequality, ito yung mga relation symbol na ginagamit niya. So ito yung kaibahan nilang tatlo. Next, no solution. Si algebraic expression is no solution, can only be simplified in the form of an expression or a numerical value. So wala talaga siyang solution, isimplify mo lang siya kasi nga wala siyang equal sign. And then has one definite solution. Si equation naman, meron siyang isang definite solution. While si inequality may have several solutions. Si inequality is marami siyang solution. Okay, so mas maiintindihan pa natin yan siya mamaya. For example, sa ating algebraic expression, 6x minus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 7. Okay, so expression lang talaga siya, wala siyang relation symbol. Si equation naman, 9x minus 5 is equal to 31. Okay, tandaan natin sa equation merong equal sign. And then, example ni inequality, y is less than 6. So, ang relation symbol ni inequality, ang ginagamit niya is greater than or less than or greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Ito yung kaibahan nilang tatlo. Now, let's go to solving problems involving algebraic expressions. Okay, so meron tayong mga problem in solving algebraic expression. Meron tayong steps na pina-follow. Okay, so meron tayong problem dito. If the length of a rectangular flower garden is thrice a number increased by 6, and its width is a number decreased by 8. Find the perimeter of the rectangular garden. Okay, gaya nga ng sabi ko, meron tayong 5 steps. So, ang first step natin, read the problem carefully. Okay, so binasa natin yung problem natin. And then, step 2, determine what the problem is asking for. So, ano yung hinahanap sa problem natin? The perimeter of the rectangular garden. Ito na yung step 2 natin. So, determine what the problem is asking for. Ang sagot natin, the perimeter of the rectangular garden. Step 3 natin, identify the variables. Okay, so i-identify natin ang ating variables. Okay, ang i-assign natin na variables, kasi lagi naman ito, so let x, si x yung gagamitin natin. Let x be the unknown variable. Okay, so si x yung i-assign natin as unknown variable. And then, ang step 4 natin is translate the problem into mathematical expression. Okay, so i-translate na natin ang ating problem sa mathematical expression. Thrice the number increased by 6. So, ang i-assign natin na unknown value is si x. So, ang hinahanap natin is the number. So, ibig sabihin, thrice a number, so 3 tapos a number, si x kasi siya yung unknown variable natin, increased by 6. Increased, ibig sabihin addition by 6. Okay, so ito na yung value ng ating length, 3x plus 6. Now, so width naman tayo. The number decreased by 8. Okay, so ano yung number na inassign natin or yung unknown variable? Si x. So, si x, the number decreased by 8. Okay, decreased meaning subtraction by 8. So, ito na yung value ng ating width, x minus 8. So, step 5 natin, solve the problem and check your results. Okay, so isolve na natin ang ating problem. In solving the perimeter of a rectangle, ang ating formula is perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2 width. Okay, so si length natin i-multiply natin sa 2 tapos i-add natin ang width multiplied by 2. Ito yung formula sa perimeter natin sa paghahanap ng perimeter ng rectangle. So perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2 width. So ngayon, i-solve na natin siya. So 2 multiplied by, ano yung value ng ating length? 3x plus 6. Okay, so 3x plus 6 plus 2 multiplied by the value of our width. Ang value ng ating width is x minus 8. So, x minus 8. Ngayon, isolve na natin siya. Okay, so gamitin natin yung distributive property of multiplication. So, si 2 i-multiply natin kay 3x. 2 times 3x, 2 times 3 equals 6x. Plus, si 2 i-multiply kay 6. So, 2 times 6 equals 12. Plus, 2 i-multiply kay x. So, 2 times x is equal to 2x. And then, minus, kasi subtraction, positive and negative, that is negative. So, 2 times 8 is equal to 16. And then, pagsamahin natin ang like terms. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang like terms, 6x at 2x. So, 6x plus 2x plus 12 minus 16. So, 6x plus 2xx plus, 6 plus 2 equals 8. And then, kopyahin natin si x. And then, positive and negative, positive 12 minus 16, positive and negative is subtract. Kokopyahin natin ang sign ng bigger number. Ano yung bigger number? Si 16. Ano ang kanyang sign? Negative. So, negative tayo dito. And then, 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. So, therefore, ang perimeter ng ating rectangular garden is 8x minus 4. Okay, so ito na yung final answer natin. Sa equation naman tayo. The equation which contains only one variable, x, is called a linear equation in one variable. This can be written in the form ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Also, linear equations are first-degree polynomials. It means that the highest exponent of each variable is 1. So, ang equation natin, ito yung nagko-contain ng isang variable na x. Ito yung tinatawag nating linear equation. Tapos, ang kanyang general form is nakasulat sa ax plus b is equal to 0 kung saan si a at si b is a real number pero si a hindi siya equal to 0. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag nating first degree polynomial kasi ang exponent ni x is 1. Kaya tinatawag natin siyang first degree polynomial kasi 1 ang kanyang exponent. An equation may either be true or false. So, ang isang equation is pwede nating masabi na totoo or hindi, or true or false. Kasi, for example, kapag meron tayong example na 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. So, 8 plus 10 is 18. So, equal ba si 18 at si 18? Equal. So, ibig sabihin, ang equation na ito is true since both sides have the same value. Okay, so true ang expression na ito. And then, meron pa tayong isang example. X plus 8 is equal to 15. Masasabi ba natin na ang expression na ito is true? Okay, so this equation can either be true or false. Pwede nating masabi na true ito, pwede ring hindi. Depende yun sa value ng ating x. Kasi kapag ang value ng ating x is 1, so 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 15. Okay, hindi siya equal to 15. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng maging true, pwedeng maging false ang ating equation. Meron tayong 3 types of linear equation. First is identity equation. Ano yung identity equation? Identity equation is true for all values of the variable. The solution set consists of all values that make the equation true. The solution set is all real numbers because any real numbers substituted for x will make the equation true. Identity equation is lahat ng set ng real numbers is magagamit natin siya as its solution set. Kasi kapag i-replace mo siya ng kahit na anong number sa real number is magiging true yung equation. For example, meron tayo ditong 5x is equal to 4x plus x. Okay. So, si 5x is equal to 4x plus x. Masasabi natin na identity ang equation na ito kasi lahat ng set ng real numbers is pwede nating gamitin as solution dito sa ating given. Okay, for example, kapag gumamit tayo ng 1, so i-replace natin si x, so x is equal to 1. Kapag 1 yung gagamitin natin, 5 times 1, si x i-replace natin sa 1 is equal to 4 times 1 plus 1. 5 times 1 equals 5 is equal to 4 times 1 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So, ibig sabihin 5 is equal to 5. So, ito yung tinatawag nating identity equation. Lahat ng number pwede mong gamitin as solution set sa iyong given. Okay, another example tayo. Kukuha tayo ng iba pang number. Kapag 5 naman yung i-assign natin na value ni x. So, x as 5. So, 5x. So, ang value ni x is 5 and then is equal to 4. Value ni x is 5 plus 5. So, 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Okay, so kahit na anong number sa iyong real numbers ang gamitin mo sa iyong solution or value ni x, magiging true ang iyong equation. Ito yung tinatawag nating identity equation. Lahat ng real numbers pwede mong gamitin as solution set para maging true ang iyong equation. Second type of linear equation is conditional equation. Ano yung conditional equation? Is true for only some values of the variable. Kung ang identity equation natin is lahat ng real numbers pwede natin gamitin as solution set, si conditional equation naman is hindi lahat. So, conditional lang siya. Pwedeng isa lang yung iyong solution set. Okay, so meron tayong example. For example, 4x plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 1. Kapag isolve natin siya, okay, so 4x, si 3x, ilipat natin dito sa kabila kasi meron siyang variable. Kapag ilipat natin siya sa kabila, ang kanyang sign is magbabago. So, ang sign ni 3x is positive, so magiging negative 3x siya. Is equal to negative 1. Si 2 naman is a constant. So, si 2, ilipat natin sa right side. Kapag ilipat natin si 2 sa right side, magiging negative ang kanyang sign. So, minus 2. Tandaan nyo na kapag ilipat nyo sa kabilang side yung iyong variable or inyong constant, magbabago ang kanyang sign. Okay, so i-simplify na natin. 4x minus 3x is equal to 1x or x. Kasi si x understood na meron na siyang 1 na kasama dito. So, pwede ng x ang ilagay. And the negative and negative is pareho ang sign nila. So, ang gagawin natin is i-add natin siya. Kokopyahin natin ang common sign. So, ang kanilang common sign is negative. So, negative ang ating sagot. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So, therefore, ang solution set natin is negative 3 lamang. So, ito yung tinatawag nating conditional equation. Okay, so paano natin masasabi na negative 3 lang ang kanyang solution set? I-solve natin siya. So, 4x, ang value ni x is negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 times negative 3 minus 1. So, 4 times negative 3 is equal to negative 12 plus 2 is equal to 3 times negative 3 is equal to negative 9 minus 1. So, negative 12 plus 2, hindi magkapareho ang sign. So, isubtract natin. Kukopyahin natin ang sign ng bigger number. Ang bigger number is 12. So, ang sign niya is negative. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. And then, negative and negative, add. Kopyahin natin ang common sign na negative. So, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So, therefore, true ang ating solution set. Tama ang ating solution set na negative 3. Kasi, magkapareho ang kabilang side natin na negative 10. Magkapareho ang kanilang value. Okay, sinabi natin na conditional equation kasi true lang siya for some values. Kapag gamitan kaya natin ng 1 ang ating x, masasabi kaya natin na tama ang ating or equal ang ating variables or ang ating equation? Okay, so gamitan natin ng 1. So 4 times, kung ilalagay natin na ang value ni x is positive 1. So, 4 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 times the value of x na 1 minus 1. Okay, so 4 times 1 equals 4 plus 2 is equal to 3 times 1 equals 3 minus 1. So, 4 plus 2 equals 6 is equal to 3 minus 1 equals 2. So, equal ba ang both sides? Hindi. So, ibig sabihin, ang statement na to is false. That's why, ang conditional equation natin is, ito yung isa ang kanyang solution set. So, hindi lahat ng real numbers pwede mong gamitin sa iyong conditional equation as solution set. The third type of linear equation is inconsistent equation. Results in a false statement. Kapag sinabi mong inconsistent equation, kapag i-equate mo ang iyong equation, magiging false ang iyong statement. So, example, 3x minus 15 is equal to 3 times x minus 4. I-solve natin ang ating example para malaman natin kung totoo ba ang statement na ito or false. Okay, so i-solve natin siya. 3x minus 15 is equal to 3 times x is equal to 3x. Tapos 3 times negative 4 is equal to negative 12. Okay, so 3x, ang gagawin natin is i-subtract natin pareho ang both sides sa 3x para mawala itong 3x natin. So 3x minus 15 minus 3x is equal to 3x minus 12 minus 3x. Okay, so nag-minus tayo sa both sides ng 3x para makancel natin siya, ha? Okay, so ipagpatuloy natin. So 3x minus 3x is equal to 0, so cancel. And then, dito naman sa kabila, 3x minus 3x is equal to 0, so cancel din. So ang naiwan is negative 15 Negative 15 and negative 12. Okay. So, tama ba itong equation natin? Negative 15 is equal to negative 12? False. So, ito yung sinasabi nating inconsistent equation. Ang ating statement is magiging false. Okay, ang three types of linear equation natin first is identity equation. Ito yung lahat ng real numbers, pwede mong gamiting solution set sa iyong equation para maging true ang iyong equation. Ang second is a conditional equation. Ibig sabihin, hindi lahat pwede mong gamitin as solution set. And then, ang pangatlo, inconsistent equation. Ito yung ang result ng iyong statement is false. Ngayon, I believe na naintindihan na natin ang ating lesson. So, meron tayo ditong classify the following: algebraic expressions, equations, and inequalities. So, isulat natin as AE as algebraic expression, and then E as equation, and then I as inequalities. Okay, first. So, ito si A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Ano ang tawag natin dito? Equation. Bakit equation? Kasi meron siyang equal sign. Next. 8x plus 5. Ano ang tawag natin dito? Algebraic expression. Kasi expression lang siya. Wala siyang equal sign. Or wala siyang relation symbol. Next. 3 plus m is less than 2. Ano ang tawag natin dito? Inequalities. Kasi meron siyang relation symbol pero ang gamit niya is less than. Another example. X plus Y plus Z. Ano ang tawag natin dito? Algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression kasi wala siyang relation symbol. Next, 5 minus B is less than or equal to negative 4. Ano ang tawag natin dito? Inequalities. Kasi meron siyang relation symbol pero ang gamit niya is less than or equal to. Last, 6 times 3 plus 1 is equal to X. Ano ang tawag natin dito? Equation. Kasi meron siyang equal sign. O di ba napakadali lang i-identify? Dito naman sa baba, so ilalagay natin kung identity, conditional, or inconsistent equation ang ating given. Okay, ang first given natin is 4x minus x is equal to 3x. Okay, so para malaman natin, lagyan natin siya ng value ang ating x. So ipagpalagay natin na ang ating x is 1. Okay, so 4 times 1, kasi ang value ni x is 1, so 4 times 1 equals 4. Minus 1 is equal to 3. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang side. So, 3 na tayo dito. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So, ibig sabihin, 3 is equal to 3. So, equal ang ating dalawang equation. So, ano yung ating or dalawang expression? So, ano yung ating ilalagay dito? Ano yung tawag natin sa equation na ito? Kasi equal ang both sides nila. This is an identity equation. Okay, so identity equation ang ating first example. Second example, 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 8. Mag-assign ulit tayo ng 1 as value ni x. So kung 1 ang x natin, so 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. 2 times 1 equals 2 minus 8 is equal to negative 5. So 3 is equal to negative 5. False. So, ibig sabihin, ang number 2 natin is an inconsistent equation. Okay. So, inconsistent. Oh, magkapareho pala sila ay. Okay, so inconsistent and this is identity. Identity and inconsistent. Another example tayo, 2x minus 1 is equal to 8. So, kapag mag-assign tayo ng solution set, for example, ilalagay natin si 1 dito. So, 2 times 1 minus 1. So, 2 times 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, 1 is equal to 8. Equal ba sila? Hindi. So, ibig sabihin, this is an inconsistent equation. And then lastly, 4 times x minus 2 is equal to 4x minus 8. Okay, so si 4x is magiging 4x minus 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So, is equal to 4x minus 8. Okay, so kung i-equate natin sila, kapag i-subtract natin pareho ang both sides ng 4x, ang maiiwan is negative 8 at negative 8. So, negative 8 is equal to negative 8. So, ibig sabihin, this is an identity equation. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today's video guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating lesson for today. See you in our next lesson. Bye!